Best's very own crash test dummy, Stuart Pritchard, heads out on a highway to Hull to decide on the best of the current in-car dash cams. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best dash cams in 2024 in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. MVCam Duel. Another dual cam system from another name you won't have heard of. The MVCam is a very compact, very well-built little model that also creates 4K front and 2K rear recordings, while also packing motion detection and G-sensor to keep your car safe while on the move and also while parked. Probably the best co-pilot you could ask for. Even though you may rely on SatNav to show you the way ahead, the MVCam also offers Go Assist alerts, an AI algorithm, which gives you warnings of upcoming road conditions, sudden corners, and when cars are braking or accelerating in front. So nothing takes you by surprise. Will it change the music and unwrap sweets for you? No, it will not, but in all other aspects the perfect co-pilot. Number 2. Nextbase 622GW. Now, there's a very good chance you've clocked the price of the Nextbase and instantly realized that you can get the VOFO A139 or MVCam dual camera systems for less money than this single dashcam device. And, yes, you'd be bang on, but then, you've not heard what it does yet, right? With a full 4K resolution and a 140 degrees viewing angle, the 622GW gives you that UHD footage at 30 fps, or 1440p HD at 60 fps and 1080p HD at 120 fps, but whichever way you want it, all recordings are guaranteed to deliver absolutely stunning detail. Thanks to such resolution and the added inclusion of image stabilization, a sizable 3-inch LED HD IPS touchscreen. Number 3. Nikon Pro GPS Dual. Your eyes do not deceive you. A dual cam system for under £150. Not just that, it's not bad either. What you get in the shape of the Nikon Pro is two 1080p Full HD cameras to cover what's in front of you and what's happening inside the cabin. Yes, both are front-mounted, with GPS, automatic recording in the case of an impact when parked up, real-time brake-in alerts, and a very efficient app to operate it all. Recording footage to a 32GB microSD card, included and upgradable, and uploaded directly onto the cloud using your smartphone app. The app also lets you set up emergency alerts to relatives, gather accident info together to make insurance claims, and even help you find your car when you've forgotten where you parked. Number 4. Road Angel Halo Pro. Many years ago, possibly more than I care to remember, I was sent a Road Angel Plus speed camera detector to review for a magazine I was then editor of. Back then, with its heroic and manly cry of Road Angel, every time you fired it up, alongside its ability to almost not completely judge how fast you were driving and where speed cameras were kind of likely to be, it was cutting-edge kit. Fast forward countless years to today, and I now have in my possession a review model of Road Angel's very latest slice of in-car tech, the Halo Pro, an award-winning sub-200 front and rear dual cam, and much has been learnt about precision since the beloved Plus. Wonderfully compact, there's no chance of the Halo Pro blocking visibility, and it's so easy to install and operate that even an idiot like me can do it. So you should be out of the box and up and running in next to no time. Number 5. VOFO A139. I've had to endure my fair share of near scrapes with poor drivers over the years, and on many of those occasions, I'd wished I had a dash cam on hand to record, but alas, it's only been of late that the tech has become both so widely available and, indeed, so affordable. Now, because collisions can come at you from behind as well as in front, I favor a dual cam setup. Although these are the obviously more expensive options, but if you're capable of affording cameras to cover your 6 as well as the open expanse before you, then you may as well go all in and invest in a dashcam system that shoots in high resolution and is also the world's first dashcam to employ Sony's security camera image sensor technology, Starvist 2 technology. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.